My name is Myra, and I've been a patient here for over 2 decades. They told me about this nasal adjustment a few days ago, and it sounded very interesting. I had my first session today, and already I feel that I'm breathing a lot better. So I'm interested to see how this puffiness here, which is what Dr. Olson noticed first, how that's going to go down after a few sessions. But yeah, it wasn't painful. The first time that the balloon goes in, you do feel a little bit of pain, but just because you don't know what to expect. The other ones, you know exactly what to expect, so it's a lot better, and you feel the slight pain, but nothing that anyone can't handle. So I highly recommend it.